Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to go over how to cancel your DoorDash DashPass. So first you're going to open the app and sign in using your email or Gmail account. Google is going to ask your permission to use DoorDash. Now here on the main page you're going to see a little icon with a person. You're going to go ahead and click on that. And it'll open a menu, and at the top of that menu it says Manage DashPass. And here in the menu down at the bottom, there's going to be a cancel membership button. So go ahead and click that. And this will bring you to a page where they try to keep you from canceling. You're going to hit continue to cancel. And then they're going to offer you incentives to stay. Go ahead and click cancel again. And then they offer more incentives to stay with them. Click cancel again. And then they want to know why you're leaving DashPass. You can share, it's optional or not. And then just go ahead and hit submit and cancel. And that's it for canceling your DoorDash DashPass. As always, like and subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comments below.